Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the articles. First, let me define what are articles. The articles are words which are used before nouns or they modify nouns. Moreover, articles do work as an adjectives. They are specific or general. It means the articles are used for specific things as well as for general things. Now we are going to see types of article. There are two types of article. One, definite article, and two, indefinite article. Now let's understand what is definite article. Definite article is the article which is used for specific things or particular things. The is the definite article, and the is always placed before the specific or particular things. Therefore, it is known as definite article. Second type of article is indefinite articles. A and an, these two are indefinite articles. These two articles are used for general things. When things are not particular or specific, at that time a and an, these two indefinite articles are used for general things. Let's learn usage of the definite article. As we know that the definite article is the. The is used for definite references. It is used when the noun is specified, particular or specific. For example, keep the books on the table. Here, the books in your hand, the only table in that place, or the only one table visible there. It means here table is also particular or specific. So here is used the definite article. The definite article the is used to refer to a noun that has already been mentioned. Next use of the is referred to a thing which is one of a kind. For example, the the Himalaya, the Ganga, the sun, etc. The is used before nouns that denote human institutions or inventions. For example, the films, the news, etc. Next use of the is used to refer to a class of persons or things. For example, the elephant is a huge animal. Here, the is used to refer or to show the class of animal. Let's understand uses of a and an. First, a and an are used to mean one or any or to describe something. For example, I have a dog named Moti. Here, a is an indefinite article refers one dog. A dog means here one dog. Example number 2, Shamu is an accountant. Here an it is an indefinite article and it shows description of Shamu. Indefinite article a is used before consonant sound. As we know that there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Before consonant there is used o article. For example, a book. Book, B is a consonant. So before book there is a article. Second word, a university. Word university begins with U vowel but it pronounced with a consonant sound Y. Therefore here is used O, though it is vowel but it pronounced like consonant, so there is used O article along with university. Second indefinite article is an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. As we know that there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. And when word begins with vowel sound, at that time we use an article before that word. For example, an uncle, an egg. Next example, an honest boy. But please, you have to remind one thing. Although the word honest begins with the consonant letter H, it is pronounced with the vowel like O. Therefore, an honest. Instead of O, there is an honest. Because though H is a consonant, but it pronounced like a vowel. Therefore, here is used and along with honest boy. Our next topic is zero article. Means the article not used. In which case, in which condition the article is not used. The article is not used before proper nouns unless the proper noun is used as a common noun. Moreover, the article is not used before plural nouns and uncountable nouns, nouns that cannot be counted. In this way, today we have seen articles. Thank you.